Today we're in Western Jamaica. This is Hanover and we'll be traveling from Hopewell straight on to the outskirts of Lucy. So we'll be passing through areas such as Trial, Sandy Bay before we reach our destination. This is 27 days after Hurricane Melissa made landfall, so we'll look at the recovery efforts, just how far we have reached with recovering from this hurricane. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Hopewell, Hanover. A good day to do a drive out and show you what's going on in Western Jamaica. We haven't heard much about Hanover, very small parish, and I'm here to show you what's going on with the recovery efforts to see just how far they've reached with cleaning up the streets, etc. But just look how beautiful Jamaica is. Look at the sky, look at the setting. We'll be traveling on the coast, on the north coast, straight on to the outskirts of Lucy, and we'll go into the hills and see what the intersections of Hanover looks like. Do make sure that you tap that subscribe button, turn on the notifications as we take on the road and show you how beautiful Jamaica is after Hurricane Melissa. As per usual, let me know in the comments who is watching this video and where you're watching the video from. Drop a like if you love Jamaica. Also, if you're familiar with this part of the island, let me know in the comments as well. Hanover is one of the parishes that was hard hit by Hurricane Melissa. I know we don't hear much about Hanover, it's always about Montego Bay or St. Elizabeth. But Hanover has been hit hard. There have been areas that have been marooned as well right after the hurricane. We are now in the vicinity of the gas station here in Hopewell, and we're going to make our way past the old steamer beach, straight on through Trial into Sandy Bay, past Elgin Town, and straight into Johnsontown and Lucy on the outskirts. Ensure that you watch the entire video as we show you what Hanover is like 27 days after Hurricane Melissa. Let's go.
We have already mobilized approximately US $650 million, that's about 100 billion Jamaican dollars, for immediate available resources via our pre-planned and pre-arranged disaster risk financing framework. At the same time, we have access to more than US $500 million through the rapid financing facility of the IMF. But I emphasize that our multi-year reconstruction effort will require substantially more support than these amounts alone can deliver. As I said earlier, the loss is estimated at US $8.8 billion. However, a portion of that would be private losses covered by insurance. It is estimated, therefore, that there would still be a gap of approximately $5 billion US dollars, which the government would need to fund. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, additional resources would need to be accessed. So, just to summarize that point for the listening public, the damage assessed is 8.8. Insurance may cover 3.8 thereabout of it. There is still $5 billion, rounded figures, that would need to be funded. We have approximately $1 billion that we can allocate towards the reconstruction. So we still need to find $4 billion. That's the window. And how do you get this? You have to, $4 billion US dollars. You have to get out there in the international community. You have to bring your case to the world leaders. You have to ensure that the international capital markets see that you're not going to only rely on their resources, that you can also have even greater support from the international financial institutions, and that helps to make a stronger case. And that is what we have done. The G20 summit was a convenient place to meet all the leaders in one event. We therefore formally requested the international community, including the IMF, the World Bank, bilateral development partners, climate finance platforms, and multilateral development banks, to assemble a reconstruction support package that scales with Jamaica's ambitions and needs. This includes concessional loans and grants earmarked for resilient infrastructure, sustainable agriculture, including poultry and dairy, citrus and hydroponics, and for the automation of our agricultural sector, for debt service relief and restructuring options to protect our fiscal space and sustain growth, and technical assistance through technology transfer for agriculture and other industries that we're seeking to develop, and for the risk insurance and contingency financing instruments linked to climate change and natural disaster, an area which Jamaica is the prime example of how this is done and utilized. This mission underscores several strategic imperatives for Jamaica, and by engaging proactively in the G20 and on the margins with major partner countries and institutions, Jamaica is asserting its voice in global economic governance, especially as a middle-income, small island developing state facing climate risks. Our emphasis on disaster resilience, sustainable agriculture, aligns neatly with Jamaica's stated vision of leveraging technology, AI, and automation within our agricultural sector, but not just within agriculture, within logistics, within manufacturing, in everything that we are doing. And so we are, Mr. Speaker, positioning Jamaica as the country that is embracing of technology and making ourselves not just the poster child of fiscal resilience, but the poster child of economic resilience in the face of a disaster.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.